everyone, this is Kim from Affordably Crafty, and today I have a Spinrite Factory Outlet haul. So I had put a deal alert up for Spinrite Factory Outlet for 7/4 to 7/18. So today is 7/10. So this is up still and available at the Spinrite Factory Outlet. I will link my video down below explaining how to order, what they have available. Yep, so this was a much faster turnaround than my tent sale order, which I made I don't remember when I got the tent sale haul, but it took like a month to get here. But I think that was because of the virus shipping issues, because this is coming from Listowel, Canada, and I'm in Massachusetts, USA, so maybe it got stuck at the border, I'm not really sure. But I was super happy that this was a 5-day turnaround. I ordered on Monday, today is Friday, I ordered on Saturday. They're closed Sunday. I got a call back in the morning on Monday, and this was here in 5 days. Now this is 13 pounds of yarn. My last Spinrite order was 90, my biggest yarn order ever. But that was tent sale prices. That was buy 3 get 1 free, etc., etc. Woohoo! So again, I will link that down below too, my Spinrite tent sale haul. But yeah, so I'm Kim. This is Affordably Crafty, and my channel is all about stretching your craft dollar through tips, tricks, and lots of fun stuff. And you also see up behind me that this month's feature is Yarny Yule Summer Edition. So I will also post or link that playlist down below. Check that stuff out if you want to get a jump on the holiday season. Also, just to mention, hashtag Christmas in July Fairies. I am drawing my channel's winner on July 15th, which is 5 days from now. So that is on calendar. So that is next Wednesday. I got this really cool planner on clearance at Hobby Lobby to keep myself YouTube organized. We'll see how that works out. Again, I do love a physical book and a physical planner, and I love lists. So it's going to be good to have just something dedicated to this. I was using a notebook, but wasn't keeping me organized. So I will do a video on how this is going at a later point. But yeah, so a couple really important things about the Christmas in July Fairy giveaway. So I am going to be doing a drawing on my channel. That person will win a giveaway from me. And then I will submit that person's name also to Dana at Dana's Wanderlust Crochet for a chance to win the grand prize, which I think right now there's like 170 videos. So if you still want to get in on that, you have time. Couple of things. I will link down below my Christmas in July Fairies video. You need to comment on the hashtag Christmas in July Fairies video that I will post. Whatever you want to comment. But you need to like and subscribe. And also, your subscriptions must be public. Because if I can't go check on your channel, if you're subscribed to me, and I can't see it, I'm going to draw another name and you lose out. So you don't want that to happen to you. So even if you just set your settings to public just for July 15th and then turn it back off, you don't want to miss out, especially if you have gone around to all the channels and commented, subscribed, and liked. So you could have up to 170 chances to get into the grand prize drawing. And try and get your name in there for as many chances as possible. It would be amazing to get 170 packages, and not every channel that's doing this is yarn related. There's some other craft areas, so you can get some pretty cool, interesting, varied stuff. So definitely take advantage of that. All right, now we're gonna open the yarny goodness. Ooh, I'm so excited. All right, let's get into this. I have not opened this box yet. All I did was cut it. So again, I want my reactions to be my first reaction and show you my true reaction, so that's cool. Alrighty, hide my yarny Yule tree. Oh, wow, that's cool. I'm going to pause this so I can pull up the prices on my laptop. Give me 1 second, I'll be right back. Again, these deals are still valid. Now, I don't know what they have left for a supply, because it says while supplies colors last, but hey, these are cool. Alright, so my first one that I got was Bernat Harmony. It was $6 a ball, now $1 per ball. $1. And I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 in the colorway Ultra Pink. This is what the Bernat Harmony looks like. Kind of reminds me of a homespun-ish, but it's not as wide. Yeah, I think the homespun is a little bit thicker. So it's affiliated with the Susan G. Komen for the Cure Foundation. Bernat is proud to contribute $30,000 to Susan G. Komen for the Cure through the purchase of the yarn in the Knit and Crochet for Breast Cancer collection. Oh. This yarn has been kicking around for a while. It says 8/15/2011. So this yarn is 10 years old. I don't care, it's still good yarn. But so this is a bulky 5, machine washable and dryable, 100% acrylic, and there is 216 yards in here. And it says it uses a 5mm crochet hook and a 5mm knitting needle. So yeah, that's cool. Made in Turkey, packaged in Canada. So that is pink. Now everybody knows that I'm not a big fan of pink, but can I pass up a dollar deal? No, I cannot. Next thing in here is Bernat Viva. Let me see how much that was. Doo-doo-doo. Bernat Viva was $7 per bag, and now it's $2 per bag. 3 balls per bag. So let me open this up. I got 5 bags of this, so 15 balls. And it is in the colorway Chartreuse. Ooh, oh wait, this one is not very soft. It's kind of rough, just so you know. I mean, I could probably make it into a wearable, but it wouldn't be the softest thing on the block. This one is much softer. So Bernat Viva in Chartreuse. This is what that looks like. Now I'm going to be honest with you. On the Spinrite Factory, yarnfactoryoutlet.com website, they did have a photo of a wearable of the Grinch. So that sounds about perfect to me. I think I might be doing that. So, let me know what you think about that in the comments down below. So this is Bernat Viva Chartreuse, and it is in the colorway, oh, Chartreuse, I just said that, Derek. It's like a green and like a muted yellow, a couple different green colors. It says it is a super bulky 6. Yeah, so I don't agree with that. I feel like that's a 5. I mean, it's got a little halo, but that's not a 6. I don't agree with that. It is a 8mm crochet hook and a 8mm knitting needle, machine washable and dryable. 82% acrylic, 18% nylon, and it is 85 yards. Sorry, it's 1,275 yards. So I should be able to make some kind of wearable. Ooh, maybe I can make one for my son and one for my daughter. That's an idea. So that's my Bernat Viva. The next thing that I got was Bernat Blissful. Let me know if you guys have ordered from the Yarn Factory Outlet online before when it hasn't been a tent sale order. Is this a typical amount of time that it takes to ship? 5 days? So I don't know if it's because of the whole shipping issues that were going on, or because they just had a million orders because the tent sale wasn't in person this time. So Bernat Blissful was $79 per bag. Now it's $3 per bag, which means each ball was $1 because there's 3. So I got 2 bags. Ooh, that's super soft. So this is in the colorway Inky Teal. So on this one, they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 colors available. And again, to see all the other colorways, just, check out my video, which I'm going to link down below. And again, these are all valid until the 18th of July, 2020. So this is what Inky Teal looks like. It's super soft. So this is the softest one that I've gotten. Oof. If I knew this was this soft, I probably may have ordered some more, maybe Purple Potion or something, but I haven't felt this before. Now, it's kind of a little novelty yarn, but I kind of like how these colors look together. It's full, super bulky 6. Yeah, I don't agree with that either. I would say at most that's a 5, but again, it's going to be, it's got thin parts and thick parts. like a lot of novelty yarns do. So this is a 8mm crochet hook, 8mm knitting needles, machine washable and dryable, 100% polyester, and it's approximately 106 yards. So I have 600 plus yards. So yeah, this is super soft. Like, I like this a lot. Let me know if you guys have used this Bernat Blissful before. Yeah, so I really like that. It's super soft. And again, $1 a ball. Can't beat that. Oof. Okay, so this says online that this is actually pretty soft. I love that. So this is actually called Patons? I'm not really sure how to say that name. Misty. But online it says it's a cozy wool marl. It was $24 a bag, but now it's $9 a bag. However, this comes with 6 in a bag, not 3. So it is, so the original price on this Patons Misty was $4 per ball, but now it's $1.50 per ball. So that's a pretty good deal. So there was only one colorway available, Spring Meadow, and this is what that looks like. You can see it's got kind of like a halo around it again. That's because it's got wool in it. Oh, and mohair. That's cool. And Spring Meadow, and it's like a greenish yellow color with some gray and white in there spun in. I don't know if you can see that. See the white in there. You can kind of see that. So this is a bulky 5. Yep. And it is super soft. Well, there's a lot of different fibers in here. It's 48% acrylic, 32% nylon, 10% wool, and 10% mohair, made in Turkey. Oh, there we go. 143 yards. So I got 1,716 yards. Yeah, I feel like this is going to be a wearable for me. Oh, it's super soft. I'm very happy with that. I thought it was going to be more scratchy because of the wool content, but it's not. So yeah, I was very happy with this order from Spinrite. I will definitely check them out again. I have another really awesome thing that I'm going to be sharing probably later this week that I found out about the Spinrite Factory Outlet. So please keep an eye out for that video. It's going to be most amazing. I just have to do a little research first before I do the video. So again, thank you guys for stopping by. If you want to see more things like this and also not miss my deal alerts, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Because again, these things, the earlier you order, the more selection you're going to get. So again, these are still going on until 7/18/20. I don't know what is available still. You'd have to call. There's instructions on the video that I posted on how to order. So yeah, I hope you guys grab some of these deals if you can. And have a creative day. All right, have a great day. Bye.